on a 2013 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how you would adjust your mirrors. So first, you want to actually physically move it back and forth if needed, because these will bend. So you can do that adjustment for each side. And then to actually adjust the glass part, there's a little motor control here. So this switch, we can adjust the left, we can adjust the right, or in the middle is just kind of where you leave it most of the time. But say we want to adjust this left one. Now that it's on the left, we can push up or down, or left or right, and you can see up or down, left or right. Maybe you can see that in the video, it is moving a little bit. That's all just controlled by pushing this around. And in the middle here, if you bump it, it's not going to adjust the mirror, so that's kind of why we leave it in the middle. And then the right works the same way. This will just move it around. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.